Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explore the different ways of carrying API request data. Let's start by duplicating the controller from our previous lesson to make things easier. You can check out the previous video if you would like to see how we build everything up to this point, but you don't have to. We'll cover everything you need to know right here in this video. Let's clean up the previous code in the duplicated controller and rename it. If you would like to get the code shown in this video, just leave a comment below. There are several ways to carry API request data. We'll start with the query string. We generally use a query string for filtering and sorting mechanisms. Remember that it's not a secure method for carrying sensitive information since it will be visible to everyone in the URL. Now let's set up our get method so that it can receive the category and sort information from the query string. Let's try it out. Run the project and then send a request using Postman. Click on the Postman extension on the left-hand side to send a request. If you haven't set up the Postman extension yet, you can check out the video linked in the description below to learn how. Click on New HTTP Request. Make sure the GET is selected. Then paste the URL here and add the controller name. You can write the query string parameters either directly in the URL or as a key value pairs below like I do. Let's take a closer look at the query string in detail. After the controller name, use a question mark to indicate that you are starting to provide query parameters. Write the query parameter key followed by its value with an equal sign between them. If you have multiple parameters, like I do here, use an ampersand to separate them. Click Send when you are ready. As a response, you can see that we have successfully received the category and sort direction from the query string. You can use this information in your project and return a response accordingly. This was a brief example of the query string. Let's learn another method to carry API request data, path parameter. We generally use the path parameter method to access a specific resource by its ID, for example, a receipt number or a product ID and so on. This time, let's set up our method to accept an integer ID. I'll run the project to try it out. As before, open your Postman extension from the left-hand side and clean up the query parameters from the previous example. You can now directly write the ID after the controller name and click Send. As a response, you can see that we've successfully captured the ID from the path parameter. Another method to carry API request data is the request body. It's usually used to carry insert or update data. For this demonstration, I'll first create a product class and then we'll use it in our request. Let's create our post method. This basically means I'll give you a product object and you'll carry this information for me. Now run the project and try it out. Go to the Postman extension as before, but this time select the post method. Choose body, row, JSON, just like I do. Now you can write the data you want to send and then click Send. As you can see, we received an HTTP created status code. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.